back to Instables, everyone. So we had a 200% breakout in the Instables room today with LGVN from pre-market, mentioning their FDA news designation approval for the LMSLB drug. LMSLB drug helping people with hypoplastic left heart syndrome. Very huge for LGVN. Had a major breakout from $3, jumping all up to $10 now, going to extended hours. I'm going to go over exactly which levels we're trying to hold above to make sure we do continue bullish momentum, which exact indicators will give us confirmation on this continuation. And all I ask in return for all of this is you smash that like button and hit subscribe if you want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that I mentioned throughout the week. So let's move on to this one. So I'm going to go to the 5-minute chart with you guys here on LGVN. I'm going to show you guys exactly how this one played out today. Then I'm going to go to the forward chart so you guys can see what we're looking out for overall. But I do want to mention before we get started that we do alert penny stock and breakout alerts throughout the day. We did mention this FDA news with LGVN from pre-market today at $3, jumping out to $10, going to extended hours now, over 200% on that breakout. And we also mentioned SEV yesterday halted as a new IPO at $15, IPO'd at $20, jumping all to $46, going to extended hours, over 100% on that breakout. Now, I know the market has been very choppy. Most breakouts have been pre-market news into open. We mentioned pre-market news before market open every single day. Go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. So as you guys can see here on the 5-minute chart, we mentioned this one at $3 in pre-market on their FDA news, jumping all up to $8.90, and we had that confirmation on this continuation on up this morning. As you guys can see here on the MACD, we had this increase in buy pressure, showing us that confirmation on that momentum. But as you guys can see, we had this overextension. We mentioned this as a high risk play, and the reason why we mentioned that is because, as you guys can see, we don't have that much increase in buy pressure, showing us that we could lose a lot of momentum. And sure enough, we got that increase in sell pressure, got that large sell-off, and we're testing the 50-day moving average. We still did have the 20-day moving average above the 50, showing us that we still could continue. Again, I haven't mentioned this in every video. If we do have the 20-day moving average over the 50 here on the 5-minute, shows us that we still could continue. And as you guys can see, we still did have the 20 over the 50, and we did mention this one halted, and we did have that continuation up, but however, we did not have that increase in buy pressure, breaking above our previous momentum, and therefore getting that rejection to the upside. And we did have a little bit of a sell-off right before going to extended hours, looking to see if we can get the 20-day moving average to curl back up to possibly have a continuation, looking for that increase in buy pressure to get that confirmation to break above our momentum that we did have today to possibly continue on up. And as you guys can see, going to extended hours, we did get that increase in buy pressure. We broke above our previous momentum and sure enough did have that continuation on up. Now we are getting rejected almost exactly at $10, as that is a very key psychological resistance. So going into tomorrow, we will be looking to see if we can hold over $10 going into pre-market. If we can hold over $10, then we will be looking to see if we can break above our previous rejection to the upside. Is exactly about $12.42 here on the forward chart. As you guys can see, we had a huge wick here to the upside at $12.42, looking to see if we can break above that to have this continuation. But however, again, has been on quite the run. And again, we did get FDA news, so again, we could have a continuation. We will keep this on the watch. So if you happen to be interested in intraday perspective breakouts, we mentioned pre-market news before market open every single day, just like we mentioned here on LGVN. Go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert again. And everybody that has been supporting the channel, all of you Instables that have been coming over and supporting the channel, much love to every one of you guys every single day. And if you guys do like this video, it does help others find it, and it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market tomorrow, or I'll see you guys in the next video.